What if you start your own clothing line? I was thinking about starting something a little bit more exotic. As long as it's not tequila. You even drink tequila like that? Yeah, I love marks. Yeah, I feel like that'd be cultural appropriation. No, it'll be great. We can have a añejo, a blanco tequila, añejo, and tequila. Why don't you make your own wine instead? I already got the name for it. It's gonna be called La Tequila. Hey, tequila.
Bad Bunny fell during CBO at tomorrow.